Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are completing your books at home and you are doing your worksheets and learning the lessons. And today let us learn lesson number 13 is MR plus ING. So, look at the pictures and read the sentences. I am reading. They are eating. Bina is playing the guitar. We are dancing. Anita is painting. Neetu and Rahul are swimming. So here are different sentences are given. So first sentence is I am reading. So the boy is sitting and the boy is telling that he is reading. So where I is there, what is come? M is come. So what is telling? I am reading. So always remember, when I comes, what will come? M will come. I am reading. I am playing. I am studying. I am helping my mommy at home. I am writing. Okay, so remember, when I comes, always what will come next to I am. If you say I reading, it becomes grammatically a wrong sentence. So that's why always what will come? When I is coming, am will also come. So I am reading. I am eating. Okay, then they are eating. So here they are is come. Why are will come? They is eating. Why they is not? They is eating will not come, because they is a plural sentence. There are three of them. If there was only one person, then it would come I am eating. But now since there are more than one person, there are three persons in the picture over here. That's why what will come? They are eating. Okay, so where they are eating, so it becomes eating. Okay, then next you have they are eating. Bina is playing the guitar. So Bina is there, just one girl is there sitting here and playing the instrument. What instrument? Guitar. So Bina is so is come only because she is alone. Okay, Bina is playing, ING. Bina is playing the guitar. Then we are dancing. So here three are there. More than one person is dancing. That's why what will come? Where we are. So it's a plural noun. Okay, so here it will come, we are dancing. Then Anita is painting. A girl, single girl, just one girl is painting. That's why what will come? Anita is painting. Is comes. Then here, Neetu and Rahul are swimming. So two person are swimming. That's why R is come. Okay, so you have to remember that. So when I comes, always M will come. I am, single person. Then if their noun is a plural noun, okay, then what will come? R will come. They are eating. Bina is playing the guitar. We are dancing. Anita is painting. Neetu and Rahul are swimming. Turn the page now. Am is used for the pronoun I. So always remember, when I is there, what comes? M will come. I am studying. Okay, then R is used for pronouns we, they and you. Okay, when pronouns are there, okay, we, they, you. Okay, we, you, they, these, the children, what will come? R will come. We are studying. You are studying. They are studying. These children are studying, or the children are studying. So it is a plural sentence, plural pronouns. That's why it comes are. Okay, when the person is single, if you want to mention a person doing, a single person doing some work, you have to say he is studying. Is comes when the person is single. Okay, is, he is studying, she is studying, Kabir is studying, Mia is studying. Okay, like that it is. Then you have here exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Okay, you are. So here you is there. When you is there, always what will come? Are. You are eating an orange. Then we. So where we is there, what will come again? Are will come. We are writing. Then Hina dash walking to school. Hina is the name of a girl. She is alone walking. Hina is will come. Okay, see here. Kabir is. Okay, Mia is. Hina is walking to school. I am. So where I will come, always remember am will come. For sure. Okay. I am baking a cake for my mother. Then he, when he is there, what will come? Is. He is making tea for my father. He is making tea for my father. Then dash, we going to the circus. Okay. Are we going to the circus? Okay. Now say the sentences again. You are eating an orange. We are writing. Hina is walking to school. I am baking a cake for my mother. He is making tea for his father. Are we going to the circus? Then exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with is, am, or, are, and the ing form of verbs given in the brackets. Okay, now as I was telling you, where I is there, always am will come. Where we, you, they, these are there, are will come. And here see, as you are eating, so eat becomes eating. Ing is added over here, so eat becomes eating. If you say you are eat an orange, it becomes wrong sentence. Grammatically it is wrong. So where eat is there, what you have to add? Ing. See here, everywhere eat is there. What is been added over here? Eat. Ing is added. Eat, it becomes eating. Writing, write. First write, it becomes writing. Ing is added. Okay, write, writing. Walking. So if the word is walk, what it becomes? Walking. Baking. So where the word is bake, what it comes? Baking. Making. Okay, where make is there? Make, making. Go, going. Ing. Make, making. Bake, baking. So that way. Now I have to write over here. I am listening. I am listening to the radio. Okay, I am listening to the radio. Then he dash the violin. He is. You have to add is playing. He is playing the violin. What are you reading? Okay, where read is there, what will come? Ing, reading. I am reading. Okay, here already it's given. Reading a story book. They are. So where they is a plural pronoun. Okay, they is a plural pronoun. That's why they are will come. They are dancing and singing will come. Okay, then Tanmay is going to school. Okay, Tanmay is going to school. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping by his mother's side. We are watching. So watch becomes watching. We are watching a movie. Okay, say it again now, all the sentences. I am listening to the radio. He is playing the violin. What are you reading? Question mark is there. So what are you reading? I am reading a story book. They are dancing and singing. Tanmay is going to school. The baby is sleeping by his mother's side. We are watching a movie. Now, exercise number 3. Circle the correct word given in the brackets. So, here the words are given. We dash playing football. So, when we is there, what comes? Are. We are playing football. Then, I am. So, when I comes, always am will come. I am buying fruits from the market. Parul is brushing her teeth. Parul. Only one girl is there. Parul is brushing her teeth. Hanif is riding a bicycle. Dia and Rita are flying kites. The teacher is marking the sheets. I am eating an apple. Tahir is washing the clothes. Okay, say it again. We are playing football. I am buying fruits from the market. Parul is brushing her teeth. Hanif is riding a bicycle. Dia and Rita are flying kites. The teacher is marking the sheets. I am eating an apple. Tahir is washing the clothes. The next exercise you have is exercise number 4. Look at the pictures of animals. Complete the sentences with ing, form and action, words. Choose words from the box given below. So here in this box, the action words are given. Action words are the doing words. In other way, verbs. Verbs are called as action words. Okay. Then the bird is, what the bird is doing? The bird is singing. We have to add, sing is here. See, sing. Ing, ing you have to add over here, see. Okay, the bird is singing. Okay, the lion is, roar is given and you have to add roaring, ing. The lion is roaring. The snail is crawling. Crawl is there, crawling. The fish is, swim is there, swimming. The snake is hissing. Next, exercise number 4. Look at the pictures of animals. So here the different pictures of animals are shown. Now complete the sentences with ing, form of action words. Choose words from the box given below here. So here there is a box. In this box the action words are given. So bark, sing, swim, crawl, hiss, hop, growl, spin, roar. So using these words and adding ing, you have to make a sentence. Okay. The bird is, so what the bird is doing? Singing. So where sing is there, you have to add, this is sing, and you have to add ing. Singing. The bird is singing. Then the lion is roar. So where roar is there? Here roar is there. Roar, ing you have to add, what it becomes? Roaring. The snail is crawling. The snail is crawling. Okay. Then the fish is swimming. Here swim is there. Where swim is there, you have to write swimming. The snake is hiss is there. The snake is hissing. The bear is growling. Growling. The spider is spinning. Spinning. The rabbit is hopping. And the dog is barking. Barking. Okay. Now say the sentences again. The bird is singing. The lion is roaring. The snail is crawling. The fish is swimming. The snake is hissing. The bear is growling. The spider is spinning. The rabbit is hopping. The dog is barking. Okay. Now we finish with the lesson number 13. So you read this lesson number 13 is MRING at home, and this table I want you to draw it on your grammar notebook, and you write I am studying. We, you, they, these, the children are studying. So then in this section, he, she, Kabir, Mia is studying. So you draw like this a square, make 3 sections, divide them, draw 3 lines here, and then write this and draw here 2 lines, here 1, here 1, make 3 columns and draw this chart, draw it on your notebook, grammar notebook, and complete these exercises on your grammar textbook, and then write these exercises. After completing these exercises on your grammar textbook, then write them on your grammar notebook. Okay, study well, complete your books. Thank you.